here at the Nest in Barton, about to launch our Little Kitchen event. We have got 5 mummy bloggers and their little ones to come over here and experience making some really healthy pizzas, making smoothies, really introducing kids to good, healthy practices in the kitchen and getting them to cook up a storm. We're going to be encouraging both kids and parents to share some tips about how to get healthy food into their everyday meals. Sneaking the really good ingredients into the food that they want to eat is going to be key. We're going to kick off the day with our first activity, which is Little Creations. This is where we're going to get the kids making their own healthy pizzas. So instead of all the takeaway pizzas that kids gravitate to, which have got hidden sugar, hidden fats, all sorts of nasties, we're going to encourage the kids to make their own pizza here, and then they'll take that skill and make them hopefully at home. Let's make it ourselves. The kids will have fun. They'll want to make it time and time again, and we're going to show them how to do it. Our second activity we're getting the kids to be creative with is something we're calling Fruit Buddies. We're going to give them a really special plate with a printed face on it. And basically all the cut up bits of fruit become the eyes, the hair, the earrings, the necklaces, whatever it is. We're really encouraging the kids to be super artistic with food. Now, kids adore smoothies, and usually they're buying them in the shops, but we're encouraging them to make their own smoothies from whatever blend of fruit, and maybe sneak some vegetables in there as well. Blend it up in a little mini blender. They're going to have loads of fun picking their fruit, blending their fruit, drinking their fruit. Then we're going to have loads of fun with the kids right at the end, where we get them to discover what is in the box, where we've hidden some vegetables inside. They can't see them. So in goes their hand and they've got to squish around. So it's about engaging with the kids to what the vegetables and the fruits really look like. So now it's over to you guys. We've launched a competition on Instagram. It's #superhero_swaps, and it's about how you get healthy ingredients into the everyday foods that you cook at home. Sneak in those greens, get in that broccoli, but share with us, show us how you do it. We want to know.